Hello everyone, Brendan McGrath here from Business Depot Legal, the one place where lawyers look out for you. Today we are asking the question, are you considering selling your business? If so, it's important to start preparing early so you can get the best possible value for your hard work and investment. Here are a few steps to get ready. Number 1, get your financials in order. Make sure your financial statements are up to date and accurate. This includes your balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statement, and any other relevant financial documentation. Number 2, document your operations. Create detailed documentation of your business operations, including organisational structures, standard operating procedures, and other important information. Number 3, identify your assets. Take inventory of all your assets, including physical assets like equipment and property, as well as intangible assets like intellectual property, including patents and trademarks. Number 4, understand your market. Research the market and competitive landscape to understand where your business fits in and what potential buyers might be looking for. Number 5, seek professional assistance. Consider hiring a business broker and speak to your lawyer and accountant, all of whom are there to help you navigate the selling process and ensure you get the best possible value for your business. So, today's key takeaway: selling your business can be a complex and emotional process, but with the right preparation and guidance, you can achieve a successful outcome. Start planning now so that you can be confident and well prepared when the time comes to make the sale.